Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple 2D camera movement in Unity using Cinemachine without any scripts or code. So let's start. First of all, go to your window, package manager. Inside of the package manager, you should find the package called Cinemachine. Install. Okay, so now you can just simply drag your package manager tab somewhere below that you can always have an access to it. Okay, as you can see near your main camera, there is a new icon which indicates that you have a Cinemachine brain component inside of your main camera, which takes control under your main camera. In the hierarchy, you need to add a Cinemachine to the camera. As you can see that now we have a new virtual camera from the Cinemachine, which will take a control on our main camera. Let's just pull it a bit closer to our main camera. Now everything we need to do to make it works, we just need to simply drag our object into the follow field inside of our Cinemachine virtual camera. If you want to follow your player, just drag the player object into the follow field or whatever object you want to follow. And now if we'll press the play button, you can see that everything works fine. We can move, our camera is moving with our character. So this is actually final result. For the most people that's enough. But if you want me to describe all settings which we have inside of our virtual camera, how to adjust your camera movement, look ahead time, damping, dead zone, and etc. things, let me know in comments below and I will create a separate video with explanation of any settings we have here and how we can adjust our camera movement to make it better and to adjust more to your game. So that's it, that's the final result. Thanks everyone for watching and see you soon.